that, buds? Welcome to your next mission, and boy, have I got a mission for you or what. Now, for all of those who don't know anything about Apollo or Bad Road Buddies, I've just got one thing to say. भाई कहाँ सो रहे थे तुम अब तक? चलो, no problem. You're here now, and that is what matters. This is a 2021 Bad Road Buddies experience. In the years gone by, this event was actually open only to a select few. But this year, Apollo has thrown open the event, and anyone with a sense of adventure and a set of wheels can be a part of the BRB experience. This is how it works. Each week, I'll be sending some of my Bad Road Buddies on a mission. Simply follow the instructions and send in your entries too for the same mission. Our panel of judges then will select the best entries, and if chosen, you could win some exciting and fabulous Apollo BRB gear, some really cool gadgets, shopping vouchers, and a holiday even. Over the past few missions, I've sent my buddies to exotic locations and had them do some crazy thing. This time, the mission is one that's very close to my stomach. Heart? Stomach. I meant heart. No, actually it's a little bit of both. Heart and stomach. भाई रास्ता दोनों का जुड़ा हुआ है, खुशियाँ बांटता है. Because this week I'm asking you to find the best hidden eatery. And to kickstart things off, I'm super excited to introduce you to very special Bad Road Buddies. They've probably traveled more highways than anyone I know. They're the giants of the foodie world. They're not just Bad Road Buddies, they're Bhukkad Road Buddies. They're the one and only Rocky and Mayur.
I'm always very, very happy when you get out on a trip here. Being on the road is just special. It's just fun.
And to think 15 साल से हम कर रहे हैं, and somebody up there likes us because we get paid to do it also.
Well, listen, our destination today is going to be some magnificent food, man.
Wait, एक मिनट, Mr. Sabru का phone. Hello, Mr. Sabru.
Hi, Jatin. How are you?
Good to see you, यार. इतने टाइम बाद देख रहा हूँ दोनों को, and देखते ही भूख लग जाती है. Are you ready for your mission?
In India, it's best to get out early in the morning when the roads are nice and open and you can have some fun. तो फुल एक्शन ओरिएंटेशन है आज, बड़ा मजा आने वाला है.
मैं मतलब ना हर एपिसोड पे आई गिव पीपल मिशन, बट रॉकी एंड मयूर को मैं हिडन ईटरी का मिशन कैसे दे सकता हूँ सर? शर्मिंदा होने वाली बात हो जाएगी.
मिस्टर जतिन, आप हमको बताओगे क्या खाना है? अरे भाई, we will show you some real food this time, some real Indian food, some hidden treasures, some real Bad Road Buddies. आप देख के एक बारी अपनी उंगलियां खा जाओगे when you see what we are eating.
That is a valid point. मतलब मैं देने नहीं वाला था, मैं तो सिर्फ थोड़ा theatrics build up कर रहा था. Obviously, you guys have been so good at it, yeah. You've given the whole country so many hidden gems, these hidden eateries. So your mission is the same what you've been doing. Khao piyo khisko and tell us about the next best hidden eatery.
Watching this, you're going to say next road trip pakka you're going to come along, which is fine as long as you remember our deal. You pay the bills.
हाँ, कुछ खाना वाना खाया करो यार. He's too thin, man.
खाऊंगा यार, कुछ बचा के लेके आओगे तो खाऊंगा ना. So भाई का ख्याल रखना, वही मिशन है. Get something nice. You know, I like savory, I like it sweet, I like them bad roads, I like them all, and I like the two of you.
Done, brother. Have a good one. Thank you.
Looking forward to your journey.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
How much has this place changed?
It's changed a lot, but the menu is still the same. Do you know how I know that? Let's see if you can guess it right. Item number 14, page 3.
Bharta Matar.
Ah, well done.
अच्छा, वो तो मेरे को पता है. But what about page 2, item number 21? बता.
Aloo pyaz paratha mix यार. आइए जी, thank you, thank you. But when we started our show, the first place we came to start our show, Apollo Highway on my plate, was this place. You remember? Right here.
And it was so long back. At that time, this highway used to be called NH1 or the Grand Trunk Road. Now it's got a whole bunch of names. Now it's NH44, it's AH2, it's the Delhi-Srinagar Highway. But the good thing is, the food along this highway has stayed exactly the same.
कि जल्दी से अभी अपने पराठे खाते हैं, क्योंकि शुरुआत में ना हर चीज की थोड़ा सा मुंह मीठा करना चाहिए, और मुंह मीठा करने के लिए अक्रॉस द रोड, सड़क के उस पार। Some eateries are secrets, and this one is a pure secret. The last one was a famous hidden secret.
Dekho, it's very important to go and enjoy really good food. But sometimes it's even more fun to see how it's being made. Barfi!
फ्रेश मिठाई खाने का मजा कुछ और है। फ्रेश जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा, और उसके बाद लंबा सफर चैन से गुजरेगा, चैन से। और कुछ लेना तो ले ले, यू नॉट गेटिंग इन मोर ऑफ माय मिठाई।
सर 5 किलो पैक कर दो।
Welcome to Chandigarh, the city beautiful. Sight for sore eyes here.
Here's a hidden gem that is so secret that even in Sector 10 market in Chandigarh, people don't know it's there. And you know why it's beautiful? Come on.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, lovely. Everything on this table has just been made fresh. So great flavors, big tastes, and of course, a little touch of Indianness. The Bam Bam Barcelona, spicy.
We end up eating too much. Ooh, what amazing food.
Not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, but I think we are running a little late now. But let's hope we get to our next destination in time, क्योंकि we'll be fighting against sunsets. पर क्या meal था यार, मजा आ गया. It's been a long day. लेकिन पंजाब के शाम के sunsets, broad highways, बात ही कुछ और है. But we are unstoppable, right?
Absolutely, especially when we had to fuel up like this. In Punjab, by the highway, any dhaba you stop by, whatever you need, you come in, you order, very quickly it will be delivered, piping hot and ready to consume. And that's what gives us energy for going onwards.
Yeah, but your bad road buddies are unstoppable. So we're gonna be back tomorrow morning with the most beautiful destination you can imagine. I'm really looking forward to it. बड़ा मजा आने वाला है यार. खाना पीना party tomorrow.
Well, my bad buds, Rocky and Mayur, certainly have had an amazing journey, but if they haven't packed a dabba for me, Mayur, I'm telling you, this relationship will get very rocky. Okay, guys, come back safe and please get me something to eat. But for you guys, please remember that the contest is live right now. So get your keys and head to your favorite hidden eatery and let us know as well. And remember, in turn, you can participate in the Bad Road Buddies contest. It's very easy.
I love early mornings here. Your stomach is empty, you're ready to eat, and you're in a beautiful city, Amritsar.
Amritsar!
Wow. Perfect. Listen, the roads in Amritsar, some of them are quite bad right now. But here's the advantage. Even on bad roads, if you have good buddies, your life is really going to be better. And this is one of those places that just hit me the first time we went there. I couldn't believe how good the product was. I'm not going to give it away. I'm going to tease it. Could you believe how good it is? It's one of the simplest things in the world. It's one of the simplest drinks in the world. Yeah, right. You have to be careful. Huh? The roads are pretty tight.
Yeah, and especially where we're going. You remember even back then, 12, 14 years ago, itni patli roads, see, they were so tight. But you know what? This is really a case of bad roads can lead to good places.
And this is the moment of truth. We drank this 14 years ago, and then I had it again about 7 years ago. Is it still going to be as good? Or like a bad road buddy who's a fickle friend, has it changed?
Ajikal ji, एक plate मक्खन fish.
Wow,
famous.
3 kilo मच्छी. This is a real true bad road buddy, and here's a good buddy. Even though he's vegetarian, he's brought me to eat makhan fish.
चल 5 किलो और दे दो हमारे दोस्त को.
You're a really good buddy. You brought me here for my favorite food. Now I'm going to take you for your favorite food. So, thank you. Rottigard. Thank you.
All that noise you made, एक plate खा के आ गया बस.
एक प्लेट खाई और 1 किलो फिश पैक कराई. 1 kilo lying on the back seat, my friend.
अरे lovely.
You know me better than that.
ठीक है. जब मैं जाके अपनी favorite चीज खाऊंगा, you can pardon your fish if you like, or you can join me because मेरे को पता है तेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो.
Yeah, but what a day it's been, man. I'm about 140% full right now. How are you doing?
Is one of my favorite places to eat at anywhere in the world. Look at that kulcha.
Guess who it is?
Mr. Sapro.
Yeah. Hey, Jatin. How's it going, buddy?
Kya baat hai? It's good to see you both, man.
As you can see, a lot is happening. Since you called, we have eaten all of Amritsar.
Phone kha jaun? Nahi kha sakta. But I want to eat that. I'm so jealous. I've always been because these guys just find some of the most incredible places and things to eat. But here's the appetizer, eh? What's next, guys?
Khate peete raho, maze karte raho, enjoy yourself, and we'll see you soon. Take care. You know what I love about this place? It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, how old you are, whether you're a man or a woman or anybody else. You can just come here and be completely accepted and respected no matter what.
You know, every time I come here, I immediately get this really nice feeling of calm and peace. And I need that right now because I've eaten so much. All of me is in turmoil.
Well, I think we've done the rest of Amritsar. Now let's go check out the best of Amritsar. Huh? Nothing more calming than coming to this beautiful place in the evening.
From the team at Apollo Tyres, I hope we've inspired you to unlock your spirits and push the limits of adventure and exploration. Apollo's got an amazing range of tyres that's made to tackle the everyday commute and also take you off the beaten path. So, if you're looking for adventure, make sure you've got the right tyres for the job. Okie dokie then, that's a wrap from me, Bad Buds. Until next time, may your road be muddy and your heart be happy. Let Apollo Bad Roads lead you to good places with your Bad Road buddies. Get ready to unlock your spirits. Until next time, it's Jatin Sabru saying goodbye.